Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. One of the companies out west, Montego Bay, in that airport, MBJ, Montego Bay Airport Express Catering Limited. They got all that space, that food court, all that good stuff happening down there, trading in their shares here. It's a big one. ECL, that's the ticker symbol. Trading in shares by a connected party, April 28th, 2022. So happened some time ago, a couple of months ago, but they're reporting it getting into the JSE. Connected party here, selling 32 million shares, a big time trade here, material trade, significant one of ECL shares. Now, leading investment bank here, Barita Investments Limited, that's BIL, ticker symbol BIL, senior management appointment here by the securities dealer. Barita Investment states to the JSE advisory of the appointment of Mr. Ian Anderson to the position of VP, Vice President Information Technology IT, very important role in these times within Barita, effective August 1st, 2022. Now, SOS Limited, that's Stationery Office Supplies Limited, they have been on fire. Talk about a share price, stock price, moving to the upside with all the rage on the JSE. Had a request, they went in to have the mentor waived. It was approved, done, accepted by the JSE. A little bit of a precedent here, we think, on Business Live. We haven't seen this in our time. Bottom line, request to waive the requirement to have a mentor for SOS as a JSE junior market company. To be clear, it was approved August 26, 2022 with a reference to the JSE rulebook. That is Rule 505. Talk about transparency there and being very detailed by SOS. Now, the big news, One-on-One Educational Services Limited, now listed on the JSE Jamaica Stock Exchange, was all the rage as well. Look, 2.23% for the general pool, getting the stocks you could have got in this one, and it just went voila all the way up the bottom line here. So One-on-One Educational Services listed today on the JSE Jamaica Stock Exchange, and it represents the 100th ordinary share listing on the JSE. Big time. The IPO, initial public offering, it happened, was successful. We'll see how this one does, but the expectation is huge. A lot of the IPOs recently just have been doing so well. Everybody wants equity in the market versus debt, and One-on-One is saying that, being the 100th IPO listing or ordinary share on the JSE. Talk about amazing karma there, being number 100. Now, last up, we got GraceKennedy. Similar story here, GK100. It's their year, a big time year, to acquire Scotia Insurance Caribbean Limited here. GK, ticker symbol, has confirmed that it has come to an agreement with the Bank of Nova Scotia to acquire 100% of Scotia Insurance Caribbean Limited, that's SICL, with the associated transaction being, of course, subject to regulatory approvals and the other customary closing conditions. GK Life. So the bottom line is, look, GK states M&A, mergers and acquisitions, is a part of their strategy. They've been doing this now for a couple of years. States, Don Webby, the CEO, as well as Deputy CEO, GK Financial Group, Stephen Whittingham, and they are living the talk that they've been making. GK, M&A, mergers and acquisitions, being very busy. Let's see, they got to get this now down to the bottom line, get it going, and get the earnings per share growing. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.